Hello. I have something really cool that I've been working really hard on, and I have it on my website, but it's not getting enough traffic on there, no matter how much I post about it. So I've decided to go ahead and take those videos that I've created for a mini course on how I draw and how I create my own coloring pages and put them on here. This is the introduction video, and the other two videos are two examples of how to draw your own coloring page. And I use the app ProCreate on iPad. However, you can use whatever app that you choose for something like this, or you can just get a piece of paper and draw along with me if you choose. It's completely up to you. I do have adjacent coloring pages that go with these two videos, plus 3 extra ones on my Ko-fi shop, and they are for sale. It's in the link in my bio. If you choose to want to practice with that, that's fine. It's optional. You don't have to. It does go along really well with those videos. And then also, if you purchase them, you get access to my Discord channel as well. I also have lots of other cool things on there that you can check out. But these particular videos that I have recorded, I wanted to design it in a way where it was easy to follow along. There's no pressure. And there's absolutely no expectation to be perfect because I'm not perfect and I would never expect anyone else starting out or even the best artist in the world to be perfect either. We put a lot of unrealistic expectations on ourselves. And I think a lot of that has to do with like this fear of not being good enough. So I don't want that at all from anybody when they watch my videos or follow along. You can save it, you can come back to it if you are busy, it's there for you. And you can use it as many times as you like. And so I hope that you can get some helpful tips and tricks from the videos that I created. I know there is a lot of really cool tutorials on YouTube already, but I wanted to share how I kind of do my own process. I'm neurodivergent myself, so I might do things a little differently than someone else does. But regardless, I'm putting it out there. I'm a little nervous because I've never done this before, but you're not going to know unless you try. And same with if you want to design coloring pages or if you want to design art to put on shirts and all sorts of cool things for print on demand, the only way you're going to know is if you try and talk about it, post about it. That's the only way people are going to know. So, without further ado, I hope that you get something out of this. And please let me know in the comments on the videos if you think they're helpful. Um, yeah, so just give it a try. And thank you for watching and supporting my channel. I just got this stuff started, so I'm giving it a go and giving it a try. Thank you.